has called all party meeting at 4 p.m. Similarly, he has called an emergency high-level cabinet ministers of Bangalore and also the elected representatives, that is legislators of Bangalore morning, Sunday morning. So, after all these elaborate discussions with all stakeholders, political parties, cabinet colleagues, senior bureaucrats, senior industry associations, different stakeholders of the society, ultimately our Honorable Chief Minister will come to a conclusion and he would be announcing stern steps to curb this menace, I think 18th or 19th latest. Leader in handling this pandemic very efficiently and successfully. If you see the first wave, we were the pioneers to take decisions successfully. We have handled the first wave very successfully. Similarly, on medical lines, on scientific evidences, even this wave will be comprehensively, attended to, and we are very hopeful. Shortly, we will be reducing the numbers. We will be, minimizing the pandemic. We will be minimizing this curve at the earliest.
Can you clarify on the circular whether only be only religious or cultural or will be political also rallies?
Every form of conjugation should be discouraged. It includes even the political conjugation. Political conjugation cannot have a different status when it comes to health emergency. Every facet of the treatment will be regulated by the government because this is a distressful situation. We can't allow anybody to get away with exploitation in any form. Right from testing till treatment, we can't allow any private person or anybody to get away with exploiting people. So this is a very, very peculiar situation. This is a kind of health emergency that we are in. So we need to be extremely sensitive towards whatever the price we are capping on. So the government will do it.
So is the government under the pressure because of Delhi lockdown, sir?
That can be said based on the facts. Compare to last year's CFR to this year's CFR. The CFR last year in Karnataka has been 1.24%. But today, with so much of spike in the cases, 95% of the infected patients do not require hospitalization. And even in that 5% of the persons who needed the hospitalization, the case fatality rate has been at 0.44 to 0.45%. So I again honestly request to thrust on this feature because the common man is jittery, is alarmed with lot of fear. The moment he gets to know that he is positive, he is trying to run to the hospital, which will really create chaos, which will create really injustice to the needy people who needs absolute hospitalization and treatment. They will be taking away the persons who do not have any symptoms. Asymptomatic patients cannot take away the beds of the deserving symptomatic patients' beds. So that is why I request your role as the fourth pillar of this democracy is paramount and vital in telling the truth based on the scientific evidence and with the technical experts' opinion, the reports worldwide what they have given. Similarly, even in Bangalore they have given and appraised the government on medical scientific evidence.
So you all are looking to